Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the controls center or controls menu on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the side button right here to open the controls center. And here we have it. Basically, you have a list of icons or shortcuts for different functions. And we can customize this menu. To do it, scroll all the way down and tap on the edit button. And here we can do a couple of things. We can add icons to the list, remove the icons from the list, and change the order of the icons on the list. To add the icons to the list, scroll down to the More category and tap on the icon you want to add it to the list. To remove the icon, find the icon you want to remove and then tap on the minus button on the icon to remove it. It's gonna appear at the bottom right here. And to change the order of the icons, press and hold on the icon you want to move and then drag it to the place you want it to be in. And once you're done, release it to basically place it in a place. And after you're done customizing your menu, you can scroll down and tap on done to save the changes, like this. And that's how you customize the controls menu or controls center on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.